Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. So myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 years of experience as a trainer. So in today's session, we are going to start a new course called logic based programming. Okay, logic based programming. In short form, it is called as LBP. Sir, do you know successfully we completed 14 batches? Successfully we completed 14 batches, and this batch is 15th batch. 15th batch. And the duration of this batch, how many months it is going to take? Sir, it will take 2 months to complete. 2 months to complete. Approximately, so 50 classes. Approximately, we can say 50 classes will be there. Okay. Next, the timings of this session is from 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. 1 hour class will be there. So Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. So every day, okay. So 1 hour session will be there. 1 hour session will be there. So next and after that, sir, fees for this batch. Fees for this batch is, sir, rupees 2,500 is the fees for this batch. If you are willing to join, you can contact to this number 8096 969696. You can contact to this number and you can get registered. Otherwise, DurgaSoft online training, DurgaSoft online training @gmail.com. You can also contact to this number or email ID to register into this particular course. Okay. Sir, next and after that, what are the languages that we are going to cover in this? Sir, we are going to cover the number of programs. How many programs we are going to cover? The number of programs that we are going to cover here is, as of now, we have 350 programs are there. And the implementation of these programs will be there in C language and even Java and also in Python. Every program, all these 350 programs, we are going to demonstrate by using C programming language and by using Java as well as by using Python. Okay, all these three languages we are going to see. And the tool which we are using for this is nothing but, do you know, we have a hacker rank tool is there. We customized this hacker rank tool. In this, we have created some programming challenges and some test cases also we created. Just we have to write the program to satisfy this requirement. Like that, we have hacker rank tool is there. By using that hacker rank tool, we are going to execute the programs. Okay. For this, no need to install any softwares. So nothing is required. Next and after that, what is the prerequisite? What is the prerequisite for this course? Very simple. Minimum knowledge. Minimum knowledge in programming. Minimum knowledge in programming must be required. So if you don't know anything about a programming language, maybe it will be difficult for you to understand. At least one programming language, whether it may be C language or C++ or Java or Python, any at least one programming language knowledge you must have. Then only we can able to execute the programs. Okay. This is nothing but what is the prerequisite? What is the prerequisite for this course? Okay. Sir, now what are the what are the programs that we are going to cover here in the sense? So already we have 350 programs are there. I think you verified our website. In that, it is clearly indicated. Just let me open the syllabus and I will show you what are the programs that we are going to cover. Maybe it is taking some time. Okay, I will do one thing. One second. I will show you the programs what we are going to cover. Yeah, you can see these are the programs which we are going to cover. So total how many programs are there? From here you can see the first program number 001, how to display a welcome message on the screen. From here around you can see around some 100 programs. You can see here these are nothing but the programs what we are going to discuss. So total how many programs are there here? 350 programs are there. In these we have basic programs like program number 1 to up to program number, okay, up to program number 25. So we have basic mathematical formula based programs will be there here. Okay, mathematical formula based programs will be there here. And from program number 26 onwards we have if condition related programs will be there. Sir, up to 50 we have if condition related programs are there. And program number 51 onwards, so we have the programs related to the while loop. Up to how many programs? So almost you can see up to program number 99. Okay, if condition related programs are there. And from program number 100 onwards we have the programs related to the for loop. Okay, based on for loop we have some programs maybe up to 149, no 150. From 151 onwards we have the programs related to the arrays. Okay, up to which program? You can see 200, not 200, even 225. So almost 150 programs purely we are concentrating on arrays. Next we have some 50 programs which are going to deal with matrices. Okay, so after that we have the programs related to strings from 276 onwards. So around 75 programs, so purely we are going to concentrate on strings. So total how many programs we are going to discuss? 350 programs will be there in this course. Total 350 programs will be there in this course. This is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, so this is the syllabus what we are going to cover in our total course. If you are having any queries, just you can ask me so that we will continue. Any doubts up to this? Yes, if you are having any queries, you can feel free to ask. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, I think in that playlist, uh, one second, let me check. No, you can verify. So every program is not there, sir. Just for demo purpose we uploaded only few programs, you can check it later. Okay, in that playlist all programs are not there. Okay, no, 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 you can cross check. No, Akash, I think so. No, please cross check, all programs are not there. So these are the programs which we streamed. Okay, right. So now today I will explain just how you can able to work with this hacker rank tool. I will explain. See, there is one demo hacker rank link we created like a HTTP yes colon double slash. So www dot so hackerrank.com slash LBP test like that. So we have okay like this we have one demo link is there. In this just we uploaded so only few basic programs. We will cross check how this link is going to work. Okay, just you have to paste that URL in your website, automatically it is going to show you a page like this. Just enter into the contest. Okay, enter into the contest. You can see we have some programs. Maybe today I will explain how to implement some programs. What is the first program we have, I will explain how to solve this. So just this is nothing but the demo purpose we created, sir. In this, all the programs are not there. So later we will create a permanent hacker rank link. In that, all the programs will be there. Now we will start with the first program. What is the first program here is just I'm going to click on try again. You can see, so here program number 001. The title of the program will be available here. Next and after that, the problem statement. We have to implement a program to read username and display welcome message on the console. Okay, we have to implement a program to read username from the user and we have to display welcome message on the console like this we have to take. So what is the input in this example? We have to read the username and there is no constraint, sir. So directly we can read any length name and the output is we have to print the message whatever you require to print in which format, in the following form. What is that form? Welcome followed by that name you have to provide. Welcome followed by that name we have to provide. Suppose if the username is admin, then the expected output what I am going to get is welcome admin like this. Suppose if username is a Prakash, then the expected output is welcome Prakash. Suppose if the username is Prakash Babu, the expected output is welcome followed by Prakash Babu. So all possible combinations we have given as a test cases. And in every logic based program, sir, you are going to learn some new concept. Okay. For example, in this program, see in C language, we can't read multiple words at a time. Like if you take the name called Prakash Babu, sir, it contains two words, right? We can't read this at a time. There is a problem. How to resolve that? Even in Java also we have issue with this. How to overcome that? All these things I am going to explain in detail. Okay. So this is nothing but the tool what we have to use. But let me implement, sir. First, I want to implement this program in C language. How to write the code? Just we have to open the programming language tab and you have to select on which program you require to write. Suppose if I am selecting C, the C skeleton it is going to be displayed and here you have to write the code. So almost they have given the skeleton, like what is the format of C language, they have given the complete format and your task is you have to fulfill the programmer's requirement. What is the requirement? We have to read a name from the user and we have to display welcome message. I think it is a matter of 3 lines code. In the first line, what we are doing, we have to read a name from the user. In the second line, what we have to do, sir, first line we have to declare. In the second line, what we have to do, we have to read that name. In the third line, what we have to do? We have to print that. So character, I'm taking s of 100. S of 100 in the sense what? It is a string. Direct support is not there in C language. Compulsory we have to go for array. Okay. So here I am declaring, so character s of 100, which can able to hold how many characters? 100 characters. Now I am going to take a scanf percentage yes, comma, I am taking ampersand. No, ampersand is not required. Directly we can read for strings. Now I want to print in C language. Which function we are using to print this? We are using printf. So just I am taking percentage yes followed by yes. But in the output you can see, along with the message whatever you require to print, I mean along with the name whatever you require to print, you have to take one prefix also, which is nothing but welcome. That's why here I am going to take welcome followed by space percentage yes. So percentage yes is used to print the data in which format? String format. Just we have to run the code. So it is going to supply the inputs automatically and it is going to display the output. You can see in the test case 0, the input what we have given is admin and we are getting welcome admin. And here also we are getting welcome admin. And if the input is a Prakash, we are getting welcome Prakash, welcome Prakash. And if the input is a Prakash Babu, so your expected output is a welcome followed by Prakash and then Babu, but your output what we got is a welcome Prakash. It is not taking including spaces. If you are providing any string including spaces, it is not taking that. How you can able to overcome that? No problem. So for that in C language, we have one special format is there, like a cap of a slash and we have to take. What is the meaning of this? Is while reading a string from the user, if you are getting anywhere new line character, while reading a string from the user, if you are getting any new line character, just ignore that. So sorry, except new line character. So we have to read the total content. Whenever you are getting new line character, it will stop. So when you are going to get the new line character, if the control is transferring to the next line, then only you are going to get a new line character. So till that it is going to read, sir. That is the meaning of this one. Let us run the code now. Is the third test case is passed or not? Yes. And after doing this, your program is almost working properly. Just you have to submit the code. So if you submit the code, what will happen? It is going to run against multiple test cases and you can see all the test cases are working. That means this is the correct program for the correct solution for the first program, which is implemented by using which language? C language. Like this we have to do, sir. This is the process. Okay. All these programs we are going to cover in this style only. Sir, everyone please confirm, is the concept is clear up to this whatever I covered?
Yes, sir.
Right. So like this, the programs will be there, sir. Can you please confirm? So how many people are willing to continue in this course? Just I need some confirmation.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, sir. Himanshu this side.
Yeah, you can ask.
Yeah, so I had just like the same way, like this first code, like just to explain in C. So it'll be same explaining Java and Python both also, sir, both the languages.
Yes, sir. We are going to see in all the languages.
Okay, sir.
So just if you want, you can see here. One second, I will show you the previous, you can see. So if you take any program, suppose like football point, something like that. problem statement, input and output. We are going to see some example also. After that, we will see how you can able to implement the logic also. Then I'm going to explain in C language, and I will explain in Java as well as in Python. Like in every programming language, like C, Java, Python, we are going to see. Got
Okay,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, you will also take the basic before the program of what will require.
Yes, whenever the concept is required, I'm going to demonstrate that the concept and then I will start. For example, so in the very beginning programs, just see it is a demo. Just in the first class, I explained what are the plans that we are going to do. But in the regular class, I mean from tomorrow onwards, so what is the syntax of printf? What is the syntax of scanf? Suppose in Java, if I want to read the data, how you can read. So all these things we are going to see. And suppose if any program related to the while loop came means, first we will discuss about that while loop and then we will go with the programs. Like whenever the topic is required, whenever the concept is there, so there first we will see the syntaxes and then we will continue. Okay.
And so when the batch is going to start?
Sir, it is already started. Actually, this batch was actually scheduled at 10 o'clock, sir. But there only few members are there. That's why we postponed to 6 o'clock. Probably this batch will continue, sir, from today itself.
Then is any syllabus covered in that batch, or it's
No. Only demo. Only demos we have taken on that. So from tomorrow, we are going to start from the first basic program onwards.
okay?
So tomorrow, first program, second program, like this, step by step, I'm going to explain.
And so what is the level of the programs, in basic to advanced or intermediate?
Yeah, from basics to advanced level, it will be there. So I can say up to 70% challenges are going to be covered here. So remaining 30 maybe complexity wise, or you have to practice. So because we don't know, right, what type of coding question they are going to ask. So that's why maximum patterns, I mean, maximum formats we covered here itself. So if any new problem is coming, you can able to think and you can solve that. Guidance we are going to provide in these programs.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Sir, this course is only for online or offline also?
No, sir. Only online. Only online. There is no offline. Right, sir. So thank you. From tomorrow, we will continue our normal class. Sir, tomorrow I'm going to start the actual content. Okay. And this video we are going to upload in the YouTube. Just you can cross check. Okay. Right. Thank you. So tomorrow, same timings, 6 o'clock. So same link.